and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll show you how to set up default CF options while creating a new item. So, let's get started. Head to the Setup Items Multiple Pack Sizes module. Here, you will find the options labeled Purchase CF, Sale CF, and Rate CF. By default, each of these is set to 0. You can configure their default values as per your requirements. To do so, open the Configuration option and click on Set Default CF. This feature allows you to conveniently define default values for Purchase CF, Sale CF, and Rate CF. Let's set the Purchase CF as 1 and the Sale CF as 3. Rate CF as 3. And observe the impact while creating a new item. Here, you can see the Purchase CF, Sale CF, and Rate CF displayed as per the default values set in the configuration. Let's also enter the conversion factor for this item. So this setup ensures that whenever a purchase entry is created, the system will automatically pick the quantity in cases where each case contains 100 units of soap. Similarly, during sales, the system will auto-pick a single unit by default. The rate will be automatically calculated on a per-piece basis as per the defined conversion factor. Let us now take a quick look at its functionality during both purchase and sale transactions. Upon pressing F5 on the Packs column, you will be observed that the system has automatically picked the case quantity by default. Now, enter the item rate and save the voucher. Next, let's move to the billing screen and continue with the item transaction. As you can see, the system automatically selects the single unit and the rate is calculated accordingly based on that unit.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.